welcome to Piko Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we will be demoing the mobile application and we will be focusing on the PTZ functionality of the mobile application. So as you can see, I'm connecting to my local system, and when you connect to your local system, you will see associated thumbnails. So you can scroll through all of these thumbnails if need be, but the way that I like to do it is utilize the search functionality in the top right-hand corner. Since we are focusing on PTZ functionality today, I will be connecting to one of the PTZ cameras. So I'll search for it, click into it, and have it load. And what you'll see with the PTZ cameras is they look just like all of your other cameras. But on the bottom right-hand corner, you have the crosshairs. And those crosshairs allows you to click and do the auto PTZ or advanced PTZ functionality. So you can utilize it by clicking the crosshairs and clicking into any area that you'd like. You can utilize the zoom functionality, so the plus and the minus to zoom in, zoom out. You can use the scroll to scroll over either direction, and if you have any presets on the bottom left-hand corner, you can click those as well. And by clicking those presets, it'll take you to anywhere you have those presets associated to. So as you can see, I clicked 1, it takes me here. I click 2, it takes me here. 3, it takes me here, and so forth. Thank you for watching Piko Tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Piko, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can visit us here at PicoVMS.com for more documentation and downloads.